Today is Sunday, May 3, May 4. It's 6:40 in the evening. Hi, Coco! Coco! Mais or grilled corn. Come over here.
Why?
Come here. I want you to show something.
What is it?
The grilled corn.
The grilled corn.
Yeah. This is sweet. This is sweet.
But I hate corn on the cob.
Huh?
But I hate corn on the cob.
Cob.
Yeah, I hate corn on the cob.
Cob.
Yeah, it's named.
You're swearing, my goodness. This is yummy.
It's not. It's disgusting.
How did you know that? Sige nga, sabi mo nga sa akin, hindi pa nga natitikman, sabi mo, hindi na masarap. Talaga, taste it first before you said disgusting. Ikaw talaga.
I don't like it.
You are disgusting. You haven't cleaned your body yet. Hi, guys.